Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata, you have engine light on guys, and you have any of the following codes guys. I'm talking anything such as code P0130, code P0131, 132, 133, 134 or 135. Any of these 6 codes, we will explain what most likely causes that, how to fix it, and how to test the sensor that actually does that. All that will be covered today. Make sure to stay until the end, and also we will explain which computer we use for engine diagnostics on Hyundai guys, and every vehicle almost we get at the shop, because many of you guys actually request that information in the comment section below. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything okay will be shared, so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So this specifically guys, it's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll be working on, but even if you have a different year, the procedure is about the same. We'll remove the upper engine cover. It's pretty simple guys, you just grab it and pull it out. It has 4 posts where it attaches. Now let's explain what causes any of these codes. Most of the time it will say something like oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1. So we first need to explain how things work so we can understand that guys, and you can fix your vehicle. Okay, on the front side usually you have the intake, on the back side is the exhaust manifold on your Hyundai Sonata. On the exhaust manifold right there you will notice you have one oxygen sensor, and after that on the catalytic converter down there you will have a second oxygen sensor. You have one of them, one is upstream, the upstream is the one before the catalytic converter, that one there, and then you have one downstream after the catalytic converter. The purpose of the upstream oxygen sensor is pretty simple guys. It detects how much fuel and air you have in the exhaust. It tells the engine computer that, so it can detect if you have a lean, rich fuel mixture, and it can adjust all that so you can have a perfect fuel mixture. The car will be efficient, actually you will not pollute the atmosphere, so it's a win-win situation. Now if you guys have any of these codes, what it indicates? It could be multiple things. Make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain that. But the most common one guys, is a bad oxygen sensor. This is the oxygen sensor, we have it removed, but if you want to see how to remove oxygen sensor on Hyundai Sonata, how to replace oxygen sensor on Hyundai Sonata, we have a special video that's going to explain that, and it will teach you all that so you know how to do it. It's not very complicated at all. Now, something else guys, if you want to see how to test oxygen sensor, how to know if oxygen sensor is good or bad, we have that video on our channel as well. Check it out. What we use for the diagnostics, this computer here. It's amazing guys. It works on almost any car you can think of. You can see we constantly use that daily at the shop. Hyundai is right here. We'll put the link to that computer in the description of the video below. What we like about it, you can access every computer system in your car, and this Hyundai has 17. You can read, delete codes, and see live data for every computer, which makes it super powerful. Now let's explain guys, if it's not that oxygen sensor that's bad, what else can trigger these codes? Pretty simple. That wiring connector will be installed actually right here, close to the valve cover. In some cases you may develop an oil leak and leak oil, so make sure that you don't have oil in the connector, because that can mess with the signal and you can get these codes. Something else, make sure the wire didn't melt on the exhaust somewhere. This is super common guys, we see that quite often. People will replace it, there is one clamp where you're supposed to attach the sensor on the exhaust, and if you don't do it, the wire will touch the exhaust and it will melt, it will quit working, and you will get that code. You get the idea. But those are guys the most common fixes for that code, for any of these codes from P0130 to code P0135. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.